That doesn't sound good.
We'll set up over there.
Hello, Kate?
Hey, Doc. Park the truck over there. Tommy, we're gonna need help putting up the traps. Joe, how's the look back there?
Hold on, I need more light.
Oh, great. I hate these flame rats. Vortexes! Take cover! Joe!
Hang on, Kate, we're coming. Kate!
everyone's back.
Everybody be very quiet. Oh no, and it's still happening! Incredible! It could have squashed us like a bug.
Team 1, this is Dave.
Hey, is that you?
Yeah, we're all back. Are you alright?
Never better. And how about you folks? Team 1, you alright? Tell you what, the next time we face dinosaurs together, let's do it in a museum, okay? Wait until we come to a complete stop.